Oh no! So let's say you wanted to get Windows 11 but you're having some problem. Okay, maybe it's older hardware or hardware that doesn't support TPM. So what you need to do is just bypass. Okay, we just need to bypass. So this video I'll teach you how to bypass the TPM check. So you can click on the link that I put on the description below, and you will have this website here. So it's mediacreationtool.bat. What you need to do is download the zip file. Okay, so click download. So I've downloaded it, and then unzip the zip file, and here you go. So you have these files over here, okay, without the MCT yet. So what you need to do is you need to run this command prompt. So skip TPM check on dynamic update. Okay, just double click, then wait for it to load. So you have this. So skip TPM check update. Okay, I just now already installed, so I need to reinstall again. So let me click it again. Okay, now it will be installed. It will be in green. Okay, install. So press any key to continue. So now you already bypassed the TPM. So what you need to do is do a restart. Okay, do a restart first, then come back here and start your media creation tool. So there will be two things that we need to do. So I'll select Windows 11. So either you want to upgrade your current PC or do a fresh reformat. So on the first part, we'll create an ISO. So create an ISO is for you to upgrade, and create USB is for you to fresh install. So I'll do a create ISO and wait. And then we have this Windows setup windows coming up. So wait for it to download. Once done, we'll continue with the steps. Alright, so we already done. Okay, we already finished up what we have just now, which is the media creation tool. Create the ISO. So we have this 1121H2. This one is our current latest ISO for our Windows 11. So since we already skipped the TPM check, what you can do is double click, and then you will open up the ISO. Just click setup as usual and wait for it. Okay, so what you need to do is install your Windows 11. What you can do is click next, get some updates, and then just finish up the whole installation. On that way, you can bypass your TPM and secure boot check. Okay, because we already skipped the TPM check on the dynamic update. So I think we have no problem. I'll let it check for update and come back one. Oh, okay, it's ready right now. Okay, we'll go for restart and continue our installation for our Windows 11. So right after this, we'll have a video on how to reformat the whole PC to Windows 11. Okay, a fresh reformat. So what we are doing now is an update. So we'll check for updates. Once everything is done, we'll come back for the video again. Okay, we already finished the Windows update thing, and then you will see this Windows. It will still say your PC doesn't meet the requirement, but what you need to do is just accept, and then wait for a while. You do some checking, and you're ready to go. So once you press install, your installation for Windows 11 will start, and your TPM will be bypassed. And then the next part of the video will be a fresh format for the Windows 11.